Hello and welcome to another coin hunt. We will be hunting through 200 euros of €2 coins to find some nice commemorative coins and low mintage coins. I got 3 rolls from Germany and 1 roll from the Netherlands. And to give you an idea of what we are looking for, this is the page from the German coins, and we are only missing 2 German coins, Mecklenburg-Vorpommern and Hamburg, both mid-mark A, and both have a mintage of 1 million only. And the second example is the page for our Dutch and Belgium coins, which we started beginning of this year, and there we are missing lots of coins. Let's start with roll number 1. So first roll, first coin is a commemorative from Berlin, Bundesländer series, and it is from 2016, 18. Of course, I will put it in the notes and in the video description. Germany, Belgium, shiny one from Germany, France, then the Netherlands, but it's 2001, and for the Netherlands the coins 2003 to 2020 I consider keepers. Oh, Treaty of Elysee. The mintage are all around 2 million, so it's not. This is a nice coin to have, and it is issued by Germany and by France, but this version is issued by Germany. Then Germany, Spain, Germany, Austria, Italy, and Italy is 2002, Germany, and the Netherlands, and this is year 2000, Germany, France, Germany, Germany. Oh. Again, Bundesländer series, commemorative from Germany, 2009, Saarland. Austria, Germany, and Sachsen. Definitely not shiny, but we will put it aside. Bundesländer series. Then we have Greece, but again 2002. And for Greece, anything but 2002 I consider keepers. Germany, and last one, Italy, but it is 2002. Second roll. Shiny one, Germany, Germany, France, Germany, 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 and here is Sachsen again, and this time the shiny edition, second one from the hunt, Germany, Belgium, and this is 2001, the Netherlands, Germany, Germany, Spain, France, Germany, oh, and again Sachsen, third one from the hand. Germany, France, France, and this is the fall of the Berlin Wall, and it is also, this coin is issued by Germany and France, but this version is issued by Germany. Germany, Germany, Austria, Spain, and Spain. Third roll, shiny one from Germany, if it focuses. There we go. Then we have France, Spain, Bundesländer Series 2020, Brandenburg, Belgium, Germany, Germany, Germany. And this is the Charles de Gaulle speech, commemorative from France. Germany, 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 shiny one, Germany, Germany. And another fall of the Berlin Wall, again the one from Germany. Second one from the Hand. Oh, and again, but it's still the German edition, still fall of the Berlin Wall. Germany, Austria, Italy, and it's 2002. Germany, Germany. Oh, and this is a nice one. This is Luxembourg, and I need to... Luxembourg or Belgium, but I think Luxembourg. So I need to actually look this up. Mintage should be fairly low, but of course I put it in the notes. That's a nice coin. Germany, Austria, and Italy. Before we start the last roll, in case you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Let's start with the last roll. And this one is, again, focus. There we go. Belgium. Ooh, really nice one. This is Belgium, but it's the new king. It's King Philippe, and we need to put it in our album. And this is, I think, like 2 million mintage. Again, put it in the notes, but this is a really nice coin to find. And this is in the Dutch roll, so it makes sense that we find now some coins from Luxembourg and Belgium and here the Netherlands again, but 2001. Germany. Treaty of Rome, but this one is the issue from Germany. It was issued by 13 different countries, 2007, but this one is issued by Germany. Austria, Italy, Germany, 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 Italy 2002, Spain, France, Germany, 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 Belgium again, and here we have Helmut Schmidt, the smoking the invisible cigarette chancellor. Then Belgium. Oh, and another white, nice one from Belgium, 2010. And I think we need it for our little new page. Then we have Bavaria Bundesländer series, France, Germany, and the Queen handover from the Netherlands with Queen Beatrix on the foreground. We found 2 coins for our page for the Netherlands and Belgium as well. We found King Philippe, and that will go there. And the EU presidency from Belgium, which will go there. And this coin from Luxembourg is definitely our find of the day. Mintage only 2.7 million from 2005. Really cool coin.